Roshan is an athlete who loves to go for a morning walk. Every day, he takes a different route for walking, and today he came across a strange pattern of arrangement of houses in his locality. One side of the road were all one-story row houses, each of a different shape. On the other side of the road, there were multi-story buildings. Seeing these houses, Rohan instantly related the one-story row houses with the single-layered simple epithelial tissue and the multi-story building with the multi-layered stratified epithelium tissue. Yes, that's how the epithelial tissues in animals are classified: simple epithelial tissue and stratified epithelial tissue. Like all buildings have a base on which they stand, similarly, all the cells of the epithelial tissues are present on a basement membrane. Based on the shape of the tissue, the simple epithelium tissues are further divided into three types. The first tissue is called the simple squamous epithelial tissue. The cells of this tissue are flat and thin. They facilitate the exchange of molecules and are present in the wall of alveolus and blood capillaries. The second type of tissue has cuboidal cells and is known as simple cuboidal epithelial tissue. They have an important role in the absorption and secretion of molecules, and they are present in the lining of distal convoluted tubules DCT of the nephron, salivary gland and thyroid gland. Look at the third type of tissue. The cells are long column-like and are called simple columnar epithelial tissue. Their main function is the absorption of molecules and is widely distributed in the small intestine. Coming to the multi-story buildings or the stratified epithelial tissue, even they are of three types, and you can relate the structure of these tissues with the simple epithelium tissue. The first type of tissue has multiple layers of squamous cells and is called a stratified squamous epithelium. They are present in the skin's epidermis and have an important role in providing protection. The stratified cuboidal epithelium has multiple layers of cuboidal cells. They help in the secretion of substances and are in various glands such as mammary glands. The stratified columnar tissue has multiple layers of columnar cells. It has an important role in the secretion of substances such as a layer of mucus in the eye. As Roshan kept on walking, he saw a large tree which he could relate to the lungs in our body. How is that possible? Well, that's a story for another day.